Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the appearance of 1inch application on a device. First of all, find and open 1inch application on a device. Now, log in to your account. After that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see Settings icon. Click on it. Then, you will see Appearances tab. Click on the tab and you can see Automatic Light and Dark. If you click on Automatic mode, it will match the preference of your phone. Now, if you want to change it to the light mode, click on the light option. You can also hide balance by a phone flip. If you toggle this switch on and you flip your phone, then your balance will be hidden. So that is how you can change appearance in your 1inch account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.